speaking through journal collocations. What are collocations? Collocations are the words that naturally go together in English. Examples: make a mistake, heavy rain, fast food, deeply sorry. यानी collocations वो words जो कि एक साथ फिक्स होते हैं और हमेशा हम उनको एक साथ ही यूज़ करते हैं. So they are very helpful when we talk about conversation and speech. Types of collocations. Collocations can be formed by various grammatical structures. Adjective plus noun, heavy rain, strong coffee, grave danger. Noun plus noun, traffic jam, heart condition, credit card. Noun plus verb, snow falls, dogs bark. Verb plus noun, make a decision, take a break, give advice. Adverb plus adjective, fully aware, highly profitable, blissfully ignorant. Verb plus adverb, deeply regret, speak loudly, wave frantically. Verb plus prepositional phrase, run out of time, burst into tears, object to. Now practice by conversation. Conversation number 1, planning a weekend trip. Hey Ali, do you want to make some plans for the weekend? Sure, I really need to take a break from work. How about we go for a drive to the mountain? Great, let's book a hotel and have a look at some places to visit. I'll check the weather forecast first. Let's grab a bite to eat on the way and take some photos there. Deal. I'll make a list of what to bring. Conversation number 2 at the cafe. Hi Sarah, it's good to see you. Shall we grab a table near the window? Sure, it's such a lovely view. I'll take a seat while you have a look at the menu. Great idea. I think I'll order a cup of coffee. Maybe try the chocolate cake. That sounds tempting. I might go for a snack and have a chat while we wait. Perfect. Let's place our order and catch up on everything we have missed. Good plan. Oh, and do not let me forget to pay the bill this time. Deal. You can pick up the bill today and I'll get the next one. That's all. So here we use collocation. हमने collocation का यूज़ किया अपनी conversation में. Collocation means वो words जो कि एक दूसरे के साथ fixed हैं और हमेशा एक दूसरे के साथ यूज़ होते हैं. Thank you so much.